Hey everyone, I hope this playthrough is helpful. If you want a detailed breakdown on how to play this song, you can find my tutorial in the description below. I really break down the fingerpicking technique that Gregory Alan Isakov uses in this song. So if you go through this playthrough and you're finding that there's still some gaps in being able to play it, check that video out. I also give you some tips on how to sing it as well, just because it's a little bit of a challenging one.